inspiring people. Let me introduce ourselves to you. My name is Elena Prajapati and I'm manager of Alpha HR Consultancy.
My name is Anisha Krishnan. I am senior consultant of Alpha HR Consultancy. I am Ruchita Jain, training and development consultant of Alpha HR Consultancy.
I am Pulkit Marwadi, the finance analyst of HR Consultancy.
Moving on to the profile of our company.
Let me introduce you all to the Alpha HR Consultancy. Alpha HR Consultancy was first established in 1979, with the longest established HR consultancy in the UK.
We focus on guardianship of both our client brands and our candidate careers.
Development integrated HR strategy.
We have worked with some of the few clients in our past few years. Like in coffee business, we have worked with Barista Coffee, Himalayan Java, and like big business like PNG, PepsiCo, etc.
Of Cafe Espresso, our company follows the performance management cycle to retain the business more successfully. And in this, first of all, we observe and identify the issues which are actually there in the business Cafe Espresso, and later we plan according to the issue, and then we act, monitor and support, and finally we move towards the review, rate and reward.
So the first thing, observe and identify. So Cafe Espresso was established in 1980s, and within 19 years of span, it was among the 18 most successful companies in UK, which was written by top business magazines. So however, they were like from 2005, it started losing its market share. So we had a few issues in the recent year, which Cafe Espresso we have observed and analyzed and identified. The primary HR issues are high labor turnover rate, where there are more than 65% of employees who are international students. So they work on short-term contracts. So this causes high labor turnover, and other factors like no proper reward and bonus system to employees, which demotivate them in working. No proper performance and talent management, like there is annual appraisal but not a monthly basis. The performance are not measured, and they are not given the opportunity to grow themselves in their employees, because most of them are students. 34% of them are students in Cafe Espresso. The secondary issues we have analyzed in your Cafe Espresso are like low customer service, which they are not able to gain market variety, product variety in services, decrease in market share, and tough competition within all these years. So before planning the strategy, we aim to create a competitive advantage to effective HR policy and in best fit approach, which means that our HR strategy will be helping your company to gain your mission to be number one coffee house in the Britain. So for this, to meet this mission, we have made this HR policy and the few objectives.
Yes, and to achieve those aims, first of all, we provide HR plans and policies to meet new business priorities at Cafe Espresso, and along with it, we have targeted one year time frame in which we provide HR solutions for making cost-effective outcomes.
And the other objectives we have set is we provide as per our services given, and relating that to the case and our strategy, we have made an objective to manage employees' performance through HR tools like 360 analysis, 360-degree appraisal, recruitment, training and development, and talent management, and ensuring finally the right people in the right job and at the right time. So the next step in our performance management cycle that we soon before this slide was to take action, to monitor and to support. For that, we have taken few academic approaches, and here are three of them. Humanist approach, which focus on their concern more on the intrinsic, improving intrinsic value of the employees, as in their motivational level. This approach focuses on giving the jobs, giving the roles as per their talent and what they are seeking, and what their aspirations are fulfilled. We will be assigning that job to them. And sense work approach, we create a platform where the talent will grow and for the career opportunities. As I said earlier, there are more of students involved in this Cafe Espresso, where they will be seeking for experience to work further. So we can create we have took this approach because this approach talks about a platform where talent can be groomed for career opportunities.
Now, moving to our project has been planned for 1 year, in which we have divided it in 3 phases, and each phase will consist of 4 months duration. Now, moving towards the first phase, as we all know, employees are the very important parts of every organizations, because due to them the organizations will be able to meet their achievements, compete with the market and all. So first of all, we will go towards recruitment of fresh and passionate employees, and then we'll also terminate unproductive employees. And for this, we'll attract talent and passionate employees from creative advertisements. Now, for moving towards the 3-month probation period, we will also do that for a duration of 3 months in order to judge the performance of the employees. And along with it, we will also focus towards internal recruitment in phase 2.
And in phase 2, we will deal about training and development. There are major issues like their high turnover rates and low morale employees. So to make them grow, we will give them training and personal development, and we will use job rotation method and job enrichment method. In job rotation, the employee will get to know more about the different departments, and in future it will help them. And in job enrichment, they will face the many challenges, and we will use job appraisal also. And as there is 6.5 pound per year in the UK market, and we will provide 10% more than the national wage rate, and we will relate it with the performance related pay. And phase 3.
Now, finally moving towards the phase 3, we will see the job appraisal of each and every employees, and according to that, we will give rewards to the employees, which can be in terms of financial and which can be in terms of non-financial as well.
So I'll just make it an overall view of our planning. So we have made this 3 phases in quarterly basis. So first, while we are targeting through creative advertisement, as it will add up cost. However, since this is a more than 20 years long old cafe, and it has already made its brand already, so making creative advertisement will attract talented and passionate employees, because the issues that we identified in the case was the new CEO wanted to recruit passionate coffee sellers, baristas, passionate employees. So for that, creative advertisements would be best option. And 3 months formation period, because we will be able to judge their knowledge, judge their performance, and then enroll further. In the job appraisal, in the second phase, then after the probation period, we will be making them, training them, appraising them, so that their voice will be heard, which was an issue by employees surveys in the last. And also provide 10% more national wages, like in UK right now, in 2015, hourly 6.5 pound is the minimum wage which the Cafe Espresso is providing. However, we will provide more than 10% more than that, so that we will encourage them further. And which was missed, like 1% share purchase scheme. We have different schemes like giving them parking, discounted parking, gym membership, along with the share purchase scheme, because as they will be feel like they are part of the company when they are investing it, and they'll be more productive. They'll be when they are feeling they are part of the organization, then performance will be better.
Our company will provide you the cost estimates, HR policy, and here is the quarterly budget estimate, training and development, internal policy review and audit, administration cost, recruitment and selection. So overall cost for the 4 months will be £5,050.
So moving on to results, as we have illustrated the problems, causes and strategy that we use from PM cycle, performance management cycle. So what will be the result after this? The best fit HRM system with a best fit practice. This system will meet one of the priorities that Cafe Espresso want to gain is the system of proper performance management, giving training and development. So that priorities will be met. And the second?
The employee will be trained and committed toward the work.
And from that, the employees will also be motivated and satisfied, due to which the performance and productivity of each and every employee will be higher.
As the performance and productivity will be high, with motivated employees, good customer satisfaction will be fulfilled.
So then they will, as I said, when the core of the company, the people will feel to work for themselves, if they are motivated, ultimately the customer service will be good. Because customer service doesn't only depend on the systems, but also depends on the performance of our people. And finally, meeting the priorities of customer service, people, and the system, company will gain competitive advantage which they want through the HR policies and strategies. So this is our overall strategy that we have mentioned. We would like to show some of the references that we have taken from. And as we are an old and long-lasting established consultancy, our strength is like we have more than 20-25 years of experience, and we work as a team. And our weaknesses is
Our challenges, we have faced a lot of challenges here, like coming to the scenario right now, we have a lot of projects and everything we had to do other than beside this also, but still we had overcome everything and we came together and come with this presentation.
the challenge also was like to be in the same location and discuss, because we all were assigned with different projects. So we use the medium of social medias and internet, Skype. So we discuss research on our own part, and then we managed to solve this case study and give 100%.